Ready to skyrocket your marketing game? Let's dive into Gohighlevel and get you set up for success in under 2 minutes. First, head over to Gohighlevel's website and sign up for an account. Choose the plan that best fits your needs and follow the prompts to enter your business information. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your command center. Take a quick look around to familiarize yourself with the layout. Notice the different tabs on the left-hand side. Next, click on the Settings tab at the bottom left. This is where you'll configure your account. Start by adding your business profile details: name, address, phone number, and branding. Now, let's integrate. Connect your essential tools like your email provider, Gmail, Outlook, etc., and your phone system. These integrations are crucial for seamless communication and automation. Let's talk CRM. Gohighlevel's CRM helps you manage leads and customers effectively. You can import existing contacts, create custom fields, and track every interaction. Time to automate. Explore the Automation tab to set up workflows. These automated sequences can nurture leads, send follow-up emails, and even book appointments automatically. Lead generation is key. Use the landing pages or funnel section to create high-converting pages to capture leads. Customize these templates or build your own from scratch. Finally, track your results. The reporting dashboard gives you insights into your campaign's performance. Monitor key metrics like conversion rates and what to optimize your strategies. And that's it. You've taken your first steps in Gohighlevel. Experiment, explore, and unleash the power of marketing automation.